Hey guys, you got Mariah here. Today we're gonna be making cupcakes, and today's not gonna be a fail. Okay? Let's get started. Yo, I'm gonna have cake mix. The cake mix. Let's pour it. God, this is like frosting, but wait, it's not. Oh, cake is messy. There. Guys, now we go smooth it. One cup of water. Now we're doing 1/2 of a cup of oil. Full of oil. Got vegetables in it. I thought it was more heavier than I thought. Yes, it is. Now we're gonna put the egg. I'm bad at cracking eggs, but I'm sure eggs know. I don't get no the shells because I see them. Hi guys, I'm bad cracking eggs. That's why art is messy. Messy. Art is so messy. Art. Messy art. Nasty. Oh, I can almost smell it. It smells so good. And guys, I always taste a perfect cake right now. You want to get some, gotta get all the stuff in there. I think I get to taste it almost. We do taste it good, so it's ready to taste, Mommy. That means I did a good job. It's good. It's too good. Now we're gonna bake it and put it in the pan. Now we're gonna move these little things right here, and then we're gonna put them in each one, in each pan, and then we're gonna fold this up with the icing. So let's do it. The pink and I believe. And the last one is going to be a special one. It's purple. And then the white one. Plain white one. And then we did it. Now we're going to put this on it. And we're gonna color faster, and we'll put the frosting in the bowl and put the food color in just like these. I'm using glitter icing because it's plain white and smooth. easy? Why orange is so easy? Now what we're gonna do is put the food color. So first is pink. 1 drop, always. 1 drop. That was actually like a 2, so 2 drops. So now you're gonna mix it. Now you got pink icing. And now next is blue. But cause like you think. I hope this make a pretty blue. Cause I also love blue. It turns to a like a little teal. Kind of like a teal. Ooh, it's kind of going to a teal color if I add like more white. It would be like if I add more white and white is still on there, but I don't know how it's gonna get out. Now, next up is green.
Was that green?
I didn't know what to say, so. Oh. At least it's not a dark green. At least it's a light one. My unicorn cupcake is gonna be delicious. And the last color is purple. I'm like, what's the last color? I don't know what color. Now we're gonna start the purple.
And I hope this purple turns out light, cause like unicorn is lighting, and the green is light, the blue is light, and the pink is light. I hope this don't turn to a dark purple, cause like when you add the food coloring, it looks like a dark purple. So
now we done. Now we got all the frosting colors. My unicorn colors. Now we're gonna frost the cake. Frost that cake. Frost that cake. Guys, which favorite color is yours? Like right over here. Like all these colors. Is it pink? Is it blue? Is it green? Or is it purple? Or this one? Cause they all look pretty together. Like you get the cupcakes. Oh, this one's the big one. So the pink one's gonna be the big one. Hey, guys, the pink one's gonna be the big one since I love pink. So now I'm gonna put the frosting. Okay, you always gotta hold your cupcake. Okay. Guys, this is looking so pretty. It looks so pretty. I'm gonna like do one. So yeah, now the blue, the special blue. My blue cupcake. These are like cupcakes. You know how they be swirled, but mine is like still perfect because it looks like you can. So now it's time for green. The green one, it kind of looks like kiwi, or it can look like avocado. It looks like avocado to me. Tell me down below what it looks like to you. It looks like avocado to me, kind of, but it would be like a light avocado. I like them. These cupcakes smell so good. And this is a fun way to keep your busybody, so you won't be bored all the time. And look, now I'm doing my purple one, but guys, I'm so excited to eat these. But we're gonna make more. Now it's perfect. purple. Guys, today I did a unicorn cupcake. I did like all the colors. So I did pink, blue, and purple together, like in one cupcake. And the last cupcake, do you think it can be the same? Yep, it's gonna be the same. I'm gonna do AKA cupcake. If y'all don't know what AKA is, I do, cause my teacher is one, and my whole class like AKA. Guys, there's my AKA cupcake, and now we are finished. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. So give me a huge thumbs up, hit that like button, turn on notifications bell. See you guys later. Bye. Peace out. I don't know. All I know, that smells delicious. And that's how you get a busy body.